Hi guys, welcome to this episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. Well, this episode, I have had so many soon-to-be brides ask me for elegant, classic centerpieces that are affordable during this very, very expensive time in our economy. And so I think I have just the thing for y'all. So this centerpiece is not only elegant, it is also cost effective. I cannot wait to show you. So before we get started, let's get ready to create this beautiful floral candelabra. All right, guys, let's get to it. So I want to start off by saying that all of these supplies can be purchased at the Dollar Tree, except for the E6000. Now, what's tough about that is you cannot order them online. You have to go into the store. But no worries, I have comparable links to the supplies in the description right below this video. So the first thing we're going to do is put a little E6000 on this candle holder and place it on the bottom of our glass bowl. Now, you can spray paint whatever color you would like. Take your freedom with that. Pick the color that goes for you. Some people might want it to be black. Some might want it to be pink. Whatever you choose. Remember, we give you the plan, but you get to make it your own. We're going to go ahead and trim down this floral foam cube to fit our container. And then I typically fill it all in with the different pieces so it's nice and secure. Just a little tip, I use just regular household toothpicks to connect the pieces, giving it even more stabilization. You have options with this next step. I want one of my candles to be of a higher height than the other, so I'm creating a little base for it. You don't have to do this. Your candles can be the same height if you like. So if you don't want a difference in height, just use the same flat one. If you do want a difference, add an extra little cube so that you can put one candle holder higher than the other. Guys, don't be afraid to make adjustments. Adjustments happen all the time. So if you need a thicker piece of foam to add that height, use a thicker piece. Adjust your toothpicks. It's really okay. You can do this. Well, guys, how do we do? I am absolutely loving this. This centerpiece is less than $30. So excited to share this with you. I hope that it helps all of you brides who are wanting a beautiful reception, but at a fraction of the cost. So I hope it helps. If you like this video, by all means like us. Please subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. And if there's something we can help you with, go right on down to the comment section and leave it right there. We have a wonderful DIY community. I answer all the comments myself, so I have to apologize. It does take me a little bit longer than I would like, but I promise you I will get to them. Also, if you would like more written instructions and more projects, head on over to our website, missplanet.com, and you can find more helpful tips and more cost-effective centerpieces. Well, guys, as you know, our time has come to an end. I want to thank you so much for choosing to spend time with us here on YouTube. We know you have so many choices. And until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on this planet. Please take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.